Hello there, adventurers! Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the heart of nature at the Smoky Hollow, located in Hamilton. Smoky Hollow Waterfall is one of the best waterfalls and one of the most amazing places to hike in Hamilton. The Smoky Hollow Waterfall is a 32 feet high waterfall. While it isn't the tallest out of all the 150 plus Hamilton waterfalls, it is one of the most spectacular. The waterfall is right beside a small parking lot for the trail. Not much hiking is involved if you simply want to see the falls. There is a viewing platform above the waterfall looking down on the Grindstone Creek. While you can enjoy a beautiful view from up above, the waterfall looks even better from down below. Head out on this 7 mile out and back trail near Waterdown, Ontario. Generally considered a moderately challenging route, it takes an average of 3 hours 16 minutes to complete. The best time to visit this place is during the fall season, when the leaves turn vibrant colors of red, yellow, and orange.
Getting too muddy. Yeah, okay.
Thanks for joining me on this virtual nature tour. And see you in my next video.